You're facing issues with Telegram web not working? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the best troubleshooting steps to get Telegram web up and running in no time. So let's dive in. First of all, open Telegram web in any of your browser. The first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is working. You can try accessing other websites like YouTube. So now here YouTube is working fine. It means we don't have an internet connection problem. But if you have poor connection, make sure you connect to more stable networks available. Now moving on to the step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes cache and cookies cause loading issues. Here's how you can clear them. On your browser, here I'm using Chrome browser, tap on this 3-dot icon on the top right corner. Now here on the bottom you can see the setting option, tap on it. Click on this privacy and security option. Now here you can see delete browsing data, click on it. Now delete your browsing data. And after that, restart your browser and try again. This simple step often fixes Telegram web issues instantly. Now moving on to the step 3. Try incognito mode or another browser. If clearing cache did not work, try opening Telegram web in incognito mode. You can do that by clicking on this 3-dot icon on the top right corner and then choosing this new incognito window option. Here you can use Telegram web. This is because some browser extension might block Telegram web. Disable ad blockers or VPN extension and check again. I don't have any VPN extension or ad blocker, so I think I'm good. Step 4. Check Telegram server. If Telegram web is still down, the issue might be on the Telegram's end. What you can do, you can go to down detector, simply search down detector, and now open this website, search for Telegram, hit enter. Here we can see that user reports indicate no current problems at Telegram. This means the Telegram server is working just fine and the problem is at your end. Now moving on to the step 5, you can try disabling VPN or proxy. Using a VPN or proxy, Telegram might block connection from certain servers. Turn off your VPN and try accessing Telegram web again. If you're on a corporate or school network, try switching to mobile data. Now the final step is log out and re-log in. If nothing works, log out from Telegram web and sign in again. To log out, tap on this 3-line menu, go to settings and tap on this 3-dot icon again. Click on log out, then tap on log out. That's it folks. If you followed this step, your Telegram web should be working perfectly now. Let me know in the comments which step helped you the most. Like this video if you found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.